Oh my gosh, y'all, I did not expect to be filming this today. I did not expect to be making this video, but Lord, am I happy that I am. It was the craziest evening ever. Welcome to my channel. For those of y'all that don't know me, if you do know me, welcome back. My name is Kate. I'm like hot and like really sweaty, and I don't know why I'm so sweaty because I just drove 20 minutes from where everything was happening. So today is Monday, May 11th. If you guys don't know me personally, I am from Georgia, and so we actually got the quarantine stuff lifted quicker than other places. So our governor lifted it. I went back to work last week, and then this week Marshall's and TJ Maxx opened, which is one of the last places in the area to reopen. And I was at one of our salon locations today, and I got off at 5 and I was like, you know what? Marshall's is opening today. I'm gonna go. I wear a mask when I'm at work anyways, so I felt a little bit safer having a mask on. And I had seen TikToks that were like, TJ Maxx and Marshall's is gonna basically be a discount store when it reopens. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go check it out. So I go to one over in Smyrna area, away from the one that I usually go to. And oh my Lord, it was crazy, absolutely insane. So when I pulled up, the parking lot was pretty full. I didn't think anything of it. And I go to like walk in, there's a lady standing in the front. I kind of like waved, like went to walk in. She's like, you can't go in there. I was like, why can't I go in there? She was like, we're at our capacity. I was like, oh my gosh. So I had to wait like over to the side. There was nobody in line. I was like the only person. So then somebody came out, and within like 2 seconds of me standing out there, they let me go in. So when I get inside, it is just like a madhouse. There are people everywhere. Half of them are wearing masks, half of them aren't. They had the lanes, like you can go like down one lane, and then the other lane you like went the opposite way so that you're like keeping the flow of traffic so you're not like all over each other. So that was the first thing I noticed, but a lot of people weren't paying attention to it because there weren't any signs. There were just like markers on the floor. And then people were just like going insane. Like this one woman was like standing in front of me, and like I tried to like go around her because I was going to my size. It was like shoes, so like the 8s that were at the end. So she like cuts in front of me so she can like dart in front of me and look at all the stuff. And I was like, it ain't that serious, sis. So I just kind of like walked away, went to a different area. But I mean, it was a madhouse. There were people everywhere. And like the craziest thing about it is everyone on TikTok was so right. Everything was marked down. I bought so much stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm so glad that I went, and I'm glad that I had my mask on. The racks were like full, and everything was marked down. Even like the stuff on the ends of the racks that like you would go through for like designer items or stuff, they were all marked down. Like I'm talking like there were less things full price than there were marked down. The only thing that sucked is I did get a ton of clothes in my hands, and I was really excited to try on some like skirts and stuff like that, but they had the dressing rooms closed. So I only bought one clothing item, or I bought 2 clothing items that I'm just hoping they fit me. The last thing I want to say before I get into the haul is TJ Maxx and HomeGoods was together, and then the Marshalls was next door to it. TJ Maxx and HomeGoods had a line. Dang, I didn't save the Snapchat. It had maybe 20 people standing outside, and the woman at Marshall's told me that they closed at 7, and it was 6:15 when I left, and I got there at like 5. The line at Marshall's to check out was wrapped around the store the entire time I was there. So like it was crazy. Like, whew, it was definitely an experience. I got some really cool stuff, and I can't wait to show you guys what I got now that I'm done ranting. So let's get into the haul part of this. Okay, so the first thing I got was this really cute basket. I really like this because it goes with my bedroom, and I love this like woven basket material at the bottom, and then the basket itself, oh, I'm doing great already. The basket itself is kind of like a woven material, and it was originally $15, and it was marked down twice, and I got it for $6. So this beautiful basket was $6, and I thought like I could keep a blanket at the end of my bed. I could keep like maybe Mia's dog toys in it. I don't know, I thought it was like the perfect size, and it really was like great for $6. And I carried all of my stuff around in it when I was at the store, so that helped me so I didn't have a huge basket. Okay, the next thing I got were these really cute hair bows. They're like a silky material. I have a snake print one of these that I wear sometimes to work just to add like a pop of color, and they were originally $5 and I got them for $2. So I got literally 2 cute ponytail scrunchie holders for $2. So that was really cute, and I love that it's like a dusty pink. I don't know if it's showing up right on the screen, but I just know I wear these colors a lot, and like even this shirt right here, if I like wore this in my hair, like my hair half up or something, so cute. The next thing I got is actually for my friend. So her birthday is next week, so we are celebrating her. So I got her this really cute birthday girl card, and I got her, and it has like gemstones on it, and then I got this cheers y'all mug for her. Just more of like an inside thing for us. So I got those for her, and I'm not giving it to her before this video goes out. So if you're watching this, I had to get this video out this week. I honestly, y'all, this was not the video I was gonna post this week. I have the one next week that I'm posting, was supposed to go out this week, but this literally was too crazy for me not to show you guys. So I was like, you know what? No, I'm posting this week. So it's Monday right now, and I'm getting this up on Thursday for you guys. So happy Thursday. And then I got this little candle for one of my friends as well for her birthday. I'm putting together like a little thing for her, and it's the Sensational 1998. It's coconut and beeswax blend, but it's the Storm scent. And it smells exactly like volcano candles. So I had to get this. I'm obsessed with it. It's really cute. This was full price. It was $4, but I really liked it, and I love the scent of it. And then another thing I got for full price was this notebook. It says notes on it. Let's see if I can get it to show up. Yeah, so it says notes on it. It has little peaches on it. I thought it was perfect for work. It's just like a cardboard. Nothing too fancy. I just love the peaches on it. I've been using sticky notes a lot at work lately, so I thought if I had just one thing that I could just write a thought in really quick, it would help me stay a little bit more organized. So I got that for me. And then I got this rug. I literally got a rug, and I thought this is actually really cute. Like, it's got some fringe at the bottom. It's by Nicole Miller, which I see all over Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I got this rug for, take a guess, any guesses? $6.50. Literally nothing for a rug. I think I'm gonna put this in my room because I had another rug in my room. If you guys haven't seen my room tour, go check it out. But I ended up trying to wash it because I spilled something on it, and it ended up getting super matted in the washing machine. I did something wrong, and it's like falling apart now. So then I had to move on and get a new rug. And so $6 for this rug, like it was originally $17 and it had been marked down twice. So it was $6.50, but like $6.50, y'all. And it was like the only one by itself. And I had already been down that aisle once, and I literally went back down for no reason, and I was like, you know what? I need a new rug. Last, I have 3 items of clothing, accessories, whatever. I've been doing this so out of order. So the first clothing item that I got was this really pretty linen material dress. It's kind of like a t-shirt dress looking thing almost, but it's got these cute, it's like a burnt orange stripes down the side, and then it also has these little bows that you can tie on it, and then these button details on the front. So I just thought this would be perfect for work with like some slides. This dress was originally $20 and I got it for $16? Yeah. So this dress was originally $20. I got it for $16. I thought it was really pretty for work, really casual and like comfy, cozy, like lightweight, so it's not gonna get really hot and sweaty. I could dress it up with some heels. I could wear it with some sandals, you know. I thought it was perfect. And even if I want to throw a belt around it, like, I thought it was perfect. I love it. And then I bought this shirt, this white top. I have a thing for white. I always have. It's just a really nice top that I thought was perfect for work with a pair of slacks. It has kind of like a really pretty spotted texture, and they kind of like stand up. I feel like there's a word to describe this shirt. I'm just not sure what it is, but this is from the brand W5, and it was originally $17 and I got it for $12. So So I've been wanting some really nice work tops that I could wear with like a long necklace. I just got this one. I just want to be really professional when I'm at work, so I thought this was like the perfect way to go. I just want like a couple statement work pieces, you know, that you can wear with slacks or a skirt. I love how like the sleeves kind of flare out a little bit at the top, and then like the bottom also does that. The last thing I got, the girl checking me out was like, what? How did you find this? I got this Steve Madden crossbody and I am obsessed with it. So it has the long strap, and then you can kind of see it says Steve Madden in the strap, like really light. It's got a back pocket. So this bag retails for $68, and Marshall's had it for $20 originally. I got it for $8. So, oh my gosh, this is such a steal. But the thing that I love most about it is this little tassel on the side. Ah, that's so cute. This is so perfect. Like for $8, let's see. Look at this with my outfit I'm wearing now, and I just have this guy on, like not too blingy. I love pink bags, but I don't want anything too flashy. Like, and it has like the Steve Madden words embossed in it, but it's not like over the top, which I am such a fan of. I think this is so beautiful, so perfect for work. The strap is adjustable. Yeah, I'm definitely a fan. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun. Marshall's was literally a crazy experience, but I mean, it's the first day they're open. Quarantine, everyone is going stir crazy. Everyone is ready to get shopping. I know I was. Be safe out there, you guys, if you guys are gonna go haul or do something. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, it would mean the absolute world to me if you guys could subscribe down below. I post content like this often, and I would love to have you guys be a part of this crazy adventure. So see you guys next time. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.